process of getting a green card through your employer starts with getting an offer of employment from a U.S. employer. And the idea is hopefully to try to avoid something called a PERM application, where in order for you to be qualified to be able to get a green card, you have to go through the Labor Department and prove you're not taking a job away from an American worker, prove you're getting paid the prevailing wage of similarly employed U.S. workers, and that you have the minimum job experience to do the job. And that is a long, lengthy process, a detailed process that most people who are trying to get green cards through employment are trying to avoid, if possible. If not possible, then not possible. So how do you avoid filing the PERM application and applying directly for the I-140 visa petition for your green card through an offer of employment? You can file in the EB1 category, which is extraordinary ability aliens, people who have reached the top of their field in whatever their field is, in science, business, athletics, entertainment, and arts. You can file as an intra-company transferee, executive, somebody who is an executive at a company from outside of the United States who gets transferred to a similar position and a similar owned corporation in the United States. And they're executive intra-company transferee, and they can get a green card without doing a PERM application. You can be an outstanding researcher or professor at a university. In the EB2 category, you can file without a PERM application as somebody working in the national interest, showing that your employment is in the national interest. And we can talk about how you prove that in another video. You can also apply as somebody with exceptional ability in arts or entertainment. And if you can show you have exceptional ability in arts or entertainment, you can also avoid filing the labor application if you have an offer of employment. If you are a registered nurse and pass the CGFNS visa screen and the NCLEX exam and the TOEFL exam, you can apply as a Schedule A worker in the EB3 category, avoid a labor PERM application, as well as a physical therapist who also is qualified and licensed to work in the United States can also file under Schedule A and avoid filing a labor PERM application with the Department of Labor.